The weights of 8 men on the athletic team are 96 kilograms, 92 kilograms, 88 kilograms, 96 kilograms, 108 kilograms, 114 kilograms, 106 kilograms, and 104 kilograms. Here, the question states, calculate the mean weight. Now, in order for us to find the mean weight, we have to add up all of the weights and divide it by the amount of weights that we have. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weights. And so we add 96 plus 92, 96 plus 92 plus 88 plus 96 plus 108 plus 1 plus 114 plus 106 plus 104, and then we divide it by 8. We divide it by 8 because there are 8 men and there are 8 weights that we are considering. Now the sum of all the weights is going to be 804, and then we're going to divide 804 by 8. And notice that 804 divided by 8 is going to be 100.5. And so that means that 100.5 kilograms is the mean weight. Now remember 804 because 804 is going to be useful as we go later down in another question. So remember 804. And notice that 804 is the sum of the 8 weights. All right, that's going to come back and we're going to need that number. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Here we have to figure out the median weight. Now the median weight, in order for us to find the median, we have to arrange these weights from least to greatest. And so we have 88, 92, 96, 96, 104, 106, 108, and 114. These are arranged from least to greatest. And so what we have here, we have 88 connected to 114, 92 connected to 108, 96 connected to 106. And so that means that we have 96 and 104 in the middle, all right? And so the median, after you already list the numbers from least to greatest, you have to find the number or numbers that are in the middle. In this case, there are 2 numbers that are in the middle. And so that means that we're going to take 96 and 104, the numbers that are in the middle, we're going to add them and then divide their sum by 2. And so we have 96 plus 104, which is 200. Then we're going to divide that by 2. So we have 200 divided by 2, which is 100, which means that the median weight is 100 kilograms. Next, we have to calculate, or we have to determine rather, it says when a 9th person joins the athletic team, this is part B, when a 9th person joins the athletic team, the overall mean weight changes to 102 kilograms. Calculate the weight of the 9th person. It says when the 9th person, so first we had 8 persons. Now here they're saying a 9th person joins the athletic team. So it was 8 persons and now it is 9 persons because a 9th person joined the athletic team. Now, when that 9th person joined the athletic team, the mean of the weights is going to change, and it changed to 102 kilograms. Now it's saying, the question is asking us, calculate the weight of the 9th person. Now let's use the formula. The mean weight is going to be the sum of all the weights divided by the total number of weights that we have. Now, what is the sum of all the weights? Well, the sum of all the weights is going to be 804 plus X, if we suppose that X is the missing person. So we're going to let X be the weight of the missing person. And so if that's the case, the sum of all the weights is going to be 804 plus X, because 804 is going to be the sum of the first 8 weights, right? 96, 92, 88, 96, 108, 114, 106, 104. 804 is the sum of all of these weights right here, right? If we add all them up, we get 804. But remember, we have to add the weight of the 9th person. And the weight of the 9th person, we don't know. That's what we're trying to find out. And so we call that X. So the sum of all the weights is going to be 804 plus X, where 804 is the sum of the first 8 weights plus X, which is the sum, plus X, which is the weight of the 9th person, all over, which is divided by 8 plus 1. The total number of weights is going to be 8 plus 1. 8 weights that are already there plus the additional one that we just added. Now the mean weight, they already tell us in the question that the mean weight is 102. And so we're going to put 102 right there. And so now we have an equation, right? We have an equation which is 102 equals to 804 plus x divided by 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? Well, 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have 804 plus x divided by 9. And then we took 102, which is a whole number, and we express it as a fraction simply by putting 1 as the denominator. And so we're going to cross multiply 9 multiplied by 102 and 1 multiplied by 804 plus x. And our goal here is to solve for x. Notice that we have 9 times 102. We put that on the left-hand side. And 1 times 804 plus x is 804 plus x. So we have 9 times 102. 9 times 102 is definitely 918. And that's going to be equal to 804 plus x. Next, we send the 804 over the equal sign. So we have 918 minus 804, which is going to be equal to x. Notice that this was a positive 804, but when we send it over the equal sign, it becomes a negative 804. So we have a 918 minus 804 is equal to x. And 918 minus 804 is going to be equal to 114. And so that means that the weight of the 9th person that joined the athletic team is 114 kilograms.